Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your landing page hero branding with Webflow, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to your project dashboard and select the project containing your landing page. Click on the Pages tab in the left sidebar to access your pages. Locate the landing page you wish to restore and click on its name. In the Designer view, identify the hero section of your landing page. Select the Hero section by clicking on it in the canvas. In the right panel, review the styles applied to this section. If the Hero section is hidden or not visible, check the display settings in the Styles panel. Adjust the background color or image to align with your brand guidelines. To edit the text, click on the text elements within the Hero section. Ensure the font, size, and color match your brand identity. Consider updating the Call to Action button to enhance visibility. Hover over the button and click to select it, then review its styles. Adjust the button's colors and typography to maintain consistency. Next, check any images or graphics used in the Hero section. If needed, upload new branded images or graphics to the Asset Manager. Once uploaded, replace the old graphics by selecting them in the Hero section. Review the overall layout to ensure everything is aligned properly. Use the alignment tools to center elements within the Hero section. Preview your changes by clicking the eye icon in the top left corner. Make any final adjustments based on the preview. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your changes live. Review the live site to ensure the Hero branding appears as intended. If any tweaks are necessary, return to the designer and make adjustments. Congratulations, your landing page hero branding is now restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.